Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with a mystery box. That's right, I've got a mystery box right here, and I'm going to open it for you and see what's inside. If you're ready, we are going to get inside this box. In fact, this is a puppet mystery, possibly, I should say, or maybe even a ventriloquism mystery. This is a box of, let's say, ventriloquist dolls that I bought online, and I wanted to open it live, well, not live, but on recording for you to see and me to see at the same time. Okay, so here we go. Carefully cut right across the top. Okay, this is very exciting for me because I have a little plan I'm going to do with these. If they come out like I think they are, it's going to be really cool, but I'm not going to tell you about that. I'm just going to open the box. Okay, so here we go. As the box opens up, it's nicely packed. Look at that. Some of that pillow packing and some of the dots and stuff. Okay, so let's get this out. All right, are you excited as much as I am? This is going to be fun. Let's get this off to the side there. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to do it this way so you can get the reveal this way. Okay, now these are actually ventriloquist dolls. Okay, and I've already got a couple of them, and I've got a plan for these things. But here we go. It is a Tessie Talk doll. That's right. This is Tessie Talk. Is this the one? This is the one that she said was damaged already. So we've got that. Let's put Tessie over there. This is the one that I get to take apart and see how it works. Let's see. You ready for this? Another Tessie. There we go. This one, I think, let's see here. This one should work. The string's right there. Hi, Tessie. How are you? I'm fine. How are you doing? See, I'm not a ventriloquist yet, but we're gonna work on that too. So this one does work. I work just fine. Okay, so we've got Tessie number 2. All right, so there's Tessie 1, Tessie 2. You ready for this? Here we go. Here we go. Dun dun dun. Tessie number 3. Look at this. Wow, this is cool. Okay, so let's see this one. Okay, Tessie, do you work? Yes, I work. Awesome, awesome. Do you want to say something? I'm happy to be here. That's pretty cool. Okay, so there's Tessie number 3. Okay, so we've got Tessie 1, 2, and 3. Are you ready for this? You ready for this? What else do I have in here? More packing. And more packing. And, ooh, look at this one. You ready? Dun, dun, dun. Tessie number 4. Awesome. Tessie number 4, how are you? I'm fine. Look at that. Very cool. Are you happy to be here? Yes. Tessie number 4, I have something to tell you. I'm really sorry I have to mention this. But you have Coke on your shirt. Coke. See, it's a Coca-Cola dress. I should have said Coke on your dress. Is that funny, Tessie number 4? No. Okay. Well, there's Tessie number 4. All right, here we go. Okay, it's getting better. It's getting better. More packing. Okay. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? Dun, dun, dun. Tessie number 5. Tessie number 5. How are you today, Tessie number 5? Let's see. She's got long hair, which is good. And it looks like her neck. Okay, there we go. Okay, so Tessie number 5. How are you today, Tessie number 5? I'm fine. Tessie number 5, do you have something to tell us? Yes, please make an outfit for me. Okay, I'll do that for you, Tessie number 5. But it gets better because there's a grand finale. Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Here we go. Here's the grand finale. Dun, 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 dun. Tessie number 6. No more box. There's nothing else in the box but Tessie number 6. There it is. Tessie Talk number 6. Let's see here. Hold on. Are you happy to be here? Yes, I'm happy to be here. Awesome. Tessie number 6. Now, the thing is, they've been sitting a while, and I don't know how long the hair has been like this, but we got to work on the hair. We got to give them, hers, some outfits. Several of them don't have outfits. And Tessie number 1 down here, the mouth doesn't work. So it'll give me an opportunity to get inside and figure that out that mechanism inside. But here we go. There we go. We got 6 Tessie Talk dolls out of 1 box. It's like a clown car, a clown box of Tessie Talk dolls. So we've got lots of fun to do. This is, again, the box opening, the mystery box opening of 6 different Tessie Talk dolls. What do you think of that? Well, thank you for coming along on the journey with me. Please feel free to subscribe. We're going to have all sorts of fun like this as the time goes on. And I hope you enjoyed it. So thank you again for joining me, the DIY Magician. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. 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 And bye-bye. Bye-bye now.